In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monarch Money as a zero-based budgeting tool. Zero-based budgeting is a powerful strategy to ensure every dollar you earn has a purpose. This approach can help you regain control of your finances by making sure your income matches your expenses perfectly, leaving no money unaccounted for. First, you'll need to log into your Monarch Money account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the budgets or planning section. Here is where you'll be able to set up and manage your budget. Next, you'll want to create a new budget by selecting the option labeled Create New Budget. The first thing you should enter is your total monthly income. This includes not only your salary, but any side income or other sources of revenue you might have. Having a comprehensive understanding of your income is crucial as it lays the foundation for your entire budgeting process. After entering your income, it's time to move on to expenses. You'll need to add different expense categories and assign every dollar of your income to one of these categories. This means every single dollar should have a job to do. Start with your fixed expenses. These are essential expenses like your rent and utilities that typically stay the same each month. Once you've covered your fixed expenses, shift your focus to variable expenses. These are expenses that can fluctuate, such as groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Accurately estimating these costs can sometimes be tricky, so it might be helpful to review past spending to better predict future expenses. Following this, it's important to include categories for savings, investments, and debt repayment. These elements are just as important as your immediate living expenses, and ensuring they're part of your plan can help you reach your financial goals. Your goal in zero-based budgeting is to make sure your total income minus your total expenses equals zero. This means that every penny of your income has been thoughtfully assigned to an expense, savings, or investment category. If you find that your income and expenses don't quite match up, adjust the amounts within each category until they do. This might mean reducing some discretionary spending or reassessing your savings contributions. Linking your bank accounts and credit cards to Monarch Money is a great next step. This allows the tool to automatically track your spending, making it easier for you to stick to your budget. Finally, make it a habit to monitor your budget regularly. Look over your spending and make sure you're adhering to the allocations you've set. Zero-based budgeting requires you to be flexible, adjusting your allocations as needed to maintain the balance where your total income matches your total expenses consistently. With these steps, you can effectively manage your finances using Monarch Money.